Well, hi everybody. I'm Charlie with the Recon shop, and we just got done doing a really sharp dent for a client. This 2024 Subaru Forester had a sharp dent in the passenger side rear door. This dent had a scuff in it. It was kind of sharp. We didn't have to remove or install anything to repair this using the paintless dent repair method. We were able to roll the window down and go in between the door glass and the door skin using our PDR tools. And this dent came out fantastic using paintless dent repair. Remember, if you have damage on your vehicle and you'd like to find out if it's a candidate for paintless dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're also located at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon shop. Thanks for watching.